Hello, my name is Valentino Hernandez Matakena. My name number is 211-419-0012. I am from University AI. Today, my topic is higher payroll system. Higher payroll system was formerly known as a beacon. The personal ID number is PIN-R used to track time, benefit, and process payroll. Position setting. Employer Self-Service (ESS) training. In April 2008, most state agencies began utilizing a new payroll system. The project name during the transition was Beacon, which stood for the Building Enterprise Access for NC's core operation needs. You will still hear the term Beacon used for the HR payroll system. As a new employer, you will be assigned a personal ID number, often called PINR. This number will serve as your ID number while you are an active employee and even as a retirer. The higher payroll system is integrated system that is used to track time, benefit, and process payroll. This means it is very important for all of us to make sure that information is this system is accurate. The Office of State Controller has developed an instructional course titled Employer the Self-Service ESS Overview to help employees with the ESS portal. New employers are required to complete the ESS overview training as a part of new hire orientation. This training is a 3 hours of training credit. Position setting. Each employee is positioned as the following destination. Designated predefinite work schedule, a holiday calendar, a work period. Position setting, which is determined eligibility for overtime or a compensatory time, shift premium pay on a call or emergency callback, and holiday premium rate. Based on the setting EOT, com time, shift premium, etc. are automatically calculated. The position setting and the time entry are the foundation for how an employee's time is processed and paid in the HR payroll system. Employer self-service, ES without time entry. First, access to enroll and update benefit and other employee information. 2. Will not be entering work time, leave, or submit leave request in ESS. ES with the time entry. Access to enroll and update benefit and other employment information. Authorizes to enter their time to live in ESS. Here the payroll system offers a self-service option known as the employer self-service. DBS employers have access to ESS in either one of two ways. The majority of employees in the DBS have the access to ESS without the time entry. ESS without time entry means employers will have access to enroll and update benefit and other employee information, however, will not be entering work time, leave, or submit leave request in ESS. Certain DBS locations have been authorized to have access to ESS with the time entry. In addition to having access to enroll and update benefit and others. Employer information. Employees at this location have been authorized to enter their time and live in ESS. Please refer your supervisor or manager to determine whether you have ESS with or without time entry. Employer self-service, my personal data, update or change address, update or change tax withholdings, add or update a family member dependents, change bank information, my working time. The first is the enter working time for authorized location, request from supervisor. The last is the fill print leave quotas balance, my pay. Fill or print the past or current pay statement. Access multi with the two information. My benefit is enroll in state health plan and NC Flex program. Add or change beneficiary info for an NC Flex. Access for 40K and develop from website for enrollment. Manager self-service. EMS. At location, authorized to enter time or leave in ESS manager, supervisor with EMS will be able to the first is review and approve time entry of employees, review or approve the leave request, access to general information on employees, ability to run various time report, the time entry evaluation. The first is time or leave is entered, employers or ESS or timesheet or the time administrator. The second is higher payroll system runs nightly time evaluation to update and check for error. The third is access to enroll and update benefit from other employee information. Will not be entering work time, leave, or submit leave request in ESS. The last is access to enroll and update benefit and other employee information. Will not entering work time, leave, or submit leave request in ESS. The diagram shows how time and leave translate into payroll. Once time or leave has been entered into the system, either by the time administrator or by employee via ESS, the higher payroll system will run nightly time evaluation. Time evaluation determines overtime or compensatory time, premium pay, leave offset, and recovery liability. Time evaluation check for the time entry error, update and time or leave report that will enter and approve. These results are used to generate your pay. Leave is then adjust or update according to leave hierarchy, which will discuss later. Then the time information is processed into payroll. This is pay statement. This is the form of the pay statement. Employers can print their own pay statement from ESS. Pay statement will include information such as the beginning or annual ending date of the pay period, monthly or weekly, your employee ID number, and your total earning and net pay. There will be a line item for the total base pay, which, as we explained, should be approximately the same each month. There will be also a line item for a total other pay, which is the sum or any supplemental pay, overtime, supplement, and etc. Pre-tax and post-tax education will be indicated as well. We means for with holding information and tax. Leave balance will be printed on a pay statement for non-ESS employees. Your first paycheck. DPS has a monthly payroll deadline. The date you report to work will affect when you get your first paycheck. The second is if you report to work and your paperwork is processed prior to the payroll, the deadline for that month, you may receive a paycheck on the last working day of the month. However, if you report to work and your paperwork is processed after the payroll deadline for that month, you will receive a paycheck on the last working day of the following month. Pay from your first month is work will be included in his paycheck. High payroll system question problem. Consult with your manager or a supervisor. As your location has representative, contact your central here from this number is 919-716-3800. Best service 919-707-0707. So this is my presentation about HR payroll system. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Sorry, maybe I said the wrong word or my word is not jelas. Thank you for watching.